Okay, it's another rainy day. We're going to go on a little rainy day tour here. First, Sirocco. She lost her paper clip. Did you put your paper clip under the door? Here's another one. Let's see what everybody's doing. Everybody gets to be such a nuisance on rainy days if they're not sleeping. Koi's only picked one fight this morning. That's not too bad. And then, of course, we have Kalahari here. The camera is shaking. It's his fault. Okay. Here's Sahara. This is where she likes to lay while she's gestating. Yes, hi, Sahara. Right in the middle of the floor. Be careful not to step on her. Gypsy Rose is laying low. There goes Kalahari. Yeah. He's everywhere. Okay, where else do we have? Who else do we have here? We got, oh, Sirocco, you're just about to lose that paperclip again. Come here. There we go. There's pushy on here. Okay. And we can go in here. See what Koi is up to. She's probably in my chair. Let's take a look. Yeah, there she is. Okay. And then Kalahari. Okay. Now. Sirocco on the paperclip. Simbacon. Nugget. Doing her vulture routine. And Tiny Bear. I think that's everybody.